Hello everyone, welcome to Chirag certification tutorial. In this video we are going to learn how to become certified red team operations management, that is the CRTOM certification. So this is the 100% free. So I'll provide you the coupon on the middle of the video, so you can go through that and you can avail that coupon. So this certification is provided by the red team leaders. So we'll go through the step-by-step process to how to get CRTOM certified. So there is a 100% free certified red team operations management CRTOM exam. So prepare for the certified red team operations management CRTOM exam by red team leaders. And in this video, we'll walk through key strategies, uh, study tips, what to accept in the exam, and how to approach red team operations effectively. So whether you are a aspiring red teamer or cybersecurity pro, this guide helps you to level up your offensive security skill. So learn about red team operations, fundamental, attack planning and execution mindset, exam prep mm, tactics, and how to ace of the certification test. So this is a free trial and use the coupon CRTOM 100 off, and this is valid up to the December 31st. So we'll go through the certification, boost your security credential and other. So this is the registration link. We'll go through the registration link. So when you will open this page, you will get a red team leaders catalog and there is a red team leaders are there. So this is the coupon and about exam duration is 4 hour. Format is question and answer and required grade 75% and self-study red team guide SEC 565 and introducts red team this operation 1.0 and red team development and operation and red team field manual. So course is there. So you can go through the course. If you open this course, Introduction to Red Team Operation Management. This is a free enroll and go through this course is module by module. There is a multiple modules are there, 5 modules are there, and inside every module there is a sub modules are there. You can go through this for the uh, becoming the Red Team Operation Management. So introduction to the Red Team and execution work and other things are there. So you can go through this. So now we'll concentrate on the certified red team operation management CRTOM. So first, just you can go through the sign up or you can click on the buy exam. So there is a price is the dollar 2.50. So we'll use the promotion code. So we have a promotion code that is the CRTOM 100% off. So click on apply. When you will click on apply, your billing details are removed and there is a contact information and here you can provide your email address and just click on complete your order. So done. Now click here and we'll log in. So I'll log in with through the Gmail account, Google account. So here you can see we got this. Okay, not this one. Let me check. So we are logged in. After doing this, there is an option start exam. When you click the start exam, it will ask you to start red team operation management CRTOM and are you ready to start the exam? You will have a 4 hours to complete the exam. Once started, cannot be paused the exam. So now I'm not going to give the exam. So in the free, we got this certification. And after completing the exam, you will get a certification like this. So let me open this certification. So this is the certification to red team leaders, and this the acknowledge that your name will be there. Successfully completed all the requirements, passed the exam. So certified red team operation management CRTOM, and issue is the December 29 2025, and this is a verification. You can uh, this one scan this one, or you can click off this. So when you will click this, you will get at this page. Here you will get all the details, just like your name has passed the certification exam on date. You can download and view exam, and other details are there. This is your certificate. So here we have learned how to get 100% free certified red team operation management CRTOM exam 2025. So step by step process I have shown to you. The disclaimer is that all trademarks, logo and names belong to their respective owner. This video made only for the education and information purpose under the Fair Use Section 107 Copyright Act 1976. So follow and support. Follow me on subscribe on YouTube, Instagram, LinkedIn, Facebook, and WhatsApp channel and Telegram channel is there. So for the latest update, you can follow and support and subscribe for the free tutorial and certification tutorial. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to Chirag tutorial. Hope this will help. Thank you for watching.